Hi folks, I'm about to give you a little tutorial here on Screencastify. Screencastify is a Google Chrome extension that allows you to record either your desktop or a Google Chrome tab or a webcam. It is free, it gives you good quality video and audio, and it limits you to 5-minute bites, which for those of us who like to talk a lot is an awesome thing. Probably particularly for our students. So to get this Chrome extension, you go to screencastify.com. You can see I already have it installed. Once you install it, which doesn't take very long, you will get this little pink arrow up here. And when you want to record something from your laptop or your desktop or whatever, you click on it. Mine's already being recorded here. But what it does is it pops up this box. So that you can pick a browser tab, you can do your entire desktop, which is what I'm doing right now, or you can do your webcam. You have the option of being able to voice over it, as I am doing now. You have the option of embedding the webcam, and then you click record. When you click record, you have the option of a 3-second, a 5-second, or a 10-second countdown, so it lets you get set up. And then it starts recording everything that you do. It has little tools down here so that you can write things on here if you really wanted to. So we'll say hi. You can highlight or you can erase. And then, of course, you have the pointer. And if you come to screencastify.com, it will show you all of the different things that it can do. When you are done recording, you come back up to the pink arrow and you click stop. I don't want to do that yet because I'm still talking to you. And then it will automatically give you the clip of what you have just recorded, and it will start playing it. It plays it in mute, which is good for those of us who are not fond of the autoplay. But you can turn that back on. It will play all the way through the clip. If you decide you have stuff at the beginning or at the end you want to cut off, you can trim that really easily. You sit here and you play it until right about where you want it to stop, and you note that that's at, say, 24 seconds. Then you take your scissors here, you drag it into 24 seconds. It will replay the last few seconds to make sure that you haven't cut off anything that you want to save, and then you tell it to save the trim. And it will save the trim for you, and then it will play it back so that you can make sure that it has done what you want. And then when you are happy with your clip, you can copy the link. You can publish it to YouTube, share it to Google Classroom, get an embed code so that you can put it on another web page, email, QR codes. I am a person who likes to download things. I work in media all the time, so I export it as an MP4 and then download it to a drive so I always have it, and then I decide where it is that I want it to go. But whenever you make one of these, it will automatically put it into your Google Drive for you so that those files are always available to you. Don't forget to rename it here, because otherwise you'll get a whole bunch of things that say Screencastify. Rename this. But yeah, it is quick, it is simple, it is free, it limits you to 5 minutes, and it gives you good quality. So I hope that helps you out. Screencastify.com has everything that you need, and it is seriously easy.